Let's make a giraffe. Whoa, I can't even fit it in the picture there. There we go. Now, let me tell you a little bit about giraffes. Giraffes have hearts that are about 2 feet long, about that big. Giraffes sleep only 5 to 30 minutes every day or every night. A giraffe can run up to 35 miles an hour, pretty fast. And these tall animals need a lot of food to help keep them going. No, don't start eating my mustache. That's my mustache. That's not food. No, 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 no. Okay, now to make your giraffe, you're going to need one art rod, could be any color you'd like. And for the legs, 2 short rods and 2 twisties. Now, to make the body of the giraffe, we'll start off with the head. So we'll just turn down the front of the art rod, the top of the art rod, down a little bit to make a nice head. We'll put on some eyes and a face later on. And we want the giraffe, maybe we want it to curve a little bit. Maybe you don't want it so straight, or maybe you do, it's fine. But about halfway down, you want to bend it to make the body of the giraffe. Ooh, wait, I want to have a longer neck, so I'm going to bend it a little bit lower. The lower you bend it, the longer the neck will be. And for the tail of the giraffe, we'll just do a little tiny tail sticking up at the end there. Okay, oh, we'll turn it around this way. Oh, that's the wrong way. Now, the next part is to make the legs of the giraffe, and we'll put one in the front, and we'll put it about halfway in the front. So make sure that each leg is about the same size, and then twist it all the way down, get a nice pinch at the bottom, and wrap it around into an X shape like this, an X shape. Now I'm going to show you again, make an X, and if you get right in that X corner, you can twist it and twist it to make it nice and tight. The more you twist, the tighter we'll get. So take your giraffe, pinch it in there, wrap around the twisty, and make an X, and then start twisting. Twist. And when it's nice and tight, you can tuck in the wire or snap it off. Now, we're going to twist out the legs a little bit into more of a V shape, and we might have them a little bit more in the front, because sometimes I see them walking like that, but not too much, because I like it to stand up on the table. So if you keep it a little bit up and down, it will stand on the table. We'll take the next art rod and we'll put it right behind the tail, just like we did with the front one, about halfway. Push it down and pinch it. And we'll do the same thing. Get your twisty, wrap it around, make an X shape like that, and start twisting it and around until it's nice and tight. Push it right up next to the orange part or the body part to get it nice and tight. And just cut off any extra parts or fold it back in. And the last step is to open it up. Now, you can bend it around a little bit. You can give them a little hump if you want. You can make the neck go a little bit further back or forward. You can move it around while you're playing with it. But the next part is to decorate your giraffe. And I'll show you here with the stickers that we provided. I made a face like that, and I put in the little long eyelashes with it. I thought that looked kind of pretty. But there are other ways you can decorate it. You can decorate it with color markers. Let me show you some pictures of giraffes I found. And this will give you some ideas of how to decorate your giraffe. So let's look. Okay, well, first thing I see are the spots on the giraffe. So with my marker or paint, I can draw on some spots. Also, I see the long eyelashes. So I might make these eyelashes even longer with a marker. Now, the last thing to do is decide what you're going to do with your giraffe. You could give it to your parents as a present or family member, or you could put it on your shelf with your other outright animals, or you could do a little show and have them talk to each other, or maybe make a little puppet show. Is that okay with you? Huh? Oh, yes, it's okay. Well, very good. Well, you can have a lot of fun. So that's it. See ya.